Many individuals strive to be good with money, and the good news is that everyone can learn how to be good with money. Of course, having healthy financial habits varies from person to person. The majority of individuals would concur that it's having solid cash flow, controlling debt, knowing where to minimize expenditures, and knowing how to save and invest. Others claim that it's important to always have a backup plan, maintain a decent credit score, or have a retirement plan. Although most people believe that handling money is a skill that comes easily, it is actually a skill like any other. The same idea applies to money, you just need to learn how to handle and manage it. And fortunately for you, there are many suggestions that can change the way you think about money and enable you to maximize your earnings. So, let's investigate a few of them. I'll be sharing 9 financial golden principles with you in today's video, in no order of importance. 1. Work on your mindset. You must have the right mindset if you want to manage your funds well or improve on them. The first step in learning how to save money effectively is to examine your thinking. To achieve, one needs to develop their thinking and give themselves mental strength. Keep a journal, read books, watch motivational videos, or find a mentor to help you with this. These are a few techniques for maintaining mental stability. Being cautious pays out in the end when it comes to spending money. In other words, the more methods you have to treat yourself, the more money you have saved. This is merely one advantage. To notice changes in your finances, you must begin to see money differently. Consider the things in your life that are most important to you. Depending on your financial situation, consider which ones you think are best. You'll be much closer to achieving your financial objectives if you begin to think about financial decisions in this way. You must keep managing your finances at the forefront of your mind if you wish to improve. According to the proverb, you become what you think. 2. Create a financial plan. When you have a strategy in place, getting where you want to go is much simpler. You want a plan to reach your goals as soon as you've outlined them. How are you going to use your money to set up an emergency fund, pay off debt, prepare for retirement, and accomplish everything else you want to do? It is wise to start by estimating the cost of achieving each objective. Decide how much time you'll need after that, and then start setting things up such that money is allocated for each of your goals in accordance with the priority you've given them. You can better understand your motivations for action by setting goals. It provides you a goal to strive for or just an excuse to manage your money more wisely. Keep in mind that you want your goals to be measurable when you are setting them. To avoid feeling overwhelmed by pursuing enormous ambitions, the big goals should be divided into smaller parts. 3. Create a budget. Making and following a budget is not simple, but if you're serious about improving your relationship with money, you must embrace it. You can use your budget to keep track of your income and expenses. To have extra money for your financial goals, you should try to spend less than you make and increase the gap between your income and your expenses. Finding a budgeting technique you enjoy and that makes things simple for you is the key to successful budgeting. Many people avoid creating budgets because they don't want to spend the time recording their costs, performing the necessary calculations, and making sure everything equals up. It's not that difficult to fix your money management problems. It only takes a few hours per month to focus on your budget for you to get your spending under control. Focus on the benefits that budgeting will have on your life rather than the process of making one. Having good budgeting abilities is crucial if you want to maximize your money. Constantly having to consider your budget encourages better financial and lifestyle choices, allowing you to ensure future retirement savings, monthly expenditures, housing prices, and bill payments more successfully. There is no better time than the present to begin budgeting, and sound money management only gets better with dedication. 4. Limit your credit card purchases. It's tempting to use your credit cards without thinking about if you can afford them after you ran out of money. Avoid the temptation to use your credit cards to make unaffordable purchases, especially of things you don't need. This can be risky if you don't have a monthly budget and can't quickly pay your credit card. You'll make significant progress toward getting your spending under control if you keep regular expenditures like groceries and utility payments off your credit card balance. You can manage your money much better if you practice delayed gratification. You can consider if a large purchase is necessary and have more time to compare prices by delaying it rather than foregoing more crucial necessities or charging it to your credit card. Therefore, it is wiser to save money first if you are considering making large purchases. You can avoid paying interest on the purchase by building up savings rather than using credit. Additionally, you avoid the repercussions of missing those payments if you save money instead of skipping out on obligations or invoices. 5. Track your spending. Setting up a budget is insufficient. You must keep tabs on your spending. Start keeping track of your spending to identify areas where you might be overspending without realizing it. Small purchases easily add up, and before you realize it, you've gone over your budget. Finding your monthly expenses is a necessary step in tracking your spending. It's a crucial task that you should preferably complete each day of the month. Understanding the difference between fixed and variable expenses will help you determine how you may have an impact on your budget. Examine recurring costs like insurance, subscriptions, and even your mortgage or rent each year to identify areas where you may make changes that could result in long-term savings. Variable costs, on the other hand, including eating out and entertainment, are simpler to manage monthly. When you first start, listing your expenses may seem like a lot of work, but once you know why it's crucial to do so and how to do it efficiently, you can effectively commit to the practice and improve your awareness of your spending. 6. Regularly contribute to savings. Building sound financial habits involves making a monthly deposit into a savings account. Even better, you can arrange up an automatic transfer of funds from your checking account to your savings account. You can avoid having to remember to make the transfer by doing this because it will happen on its own. One of the simplest methods for you to become more adept at handling money is through automation. According to studies, those who automate their saves do so more often than those who don't. As a result, they don't give themselves an opportunity to consider whether they should save or not. Money is automatically dispersed. You don't have to go through a drawn-out process to retrieve the money that has been designated to your savings account. Look around for a bank that offers a savings account with a rate that you can afford. Carries an interest rate that is on the higher side to provide you the best cash back on your account. You can have more financial security in life by saving money. If you have money saved up for emergencies, you will always have something to fall back on. Even while saving money is important, many of us don't do it. When it comes to making the right financial decisions, simply understanding that you should save is insufficient. 7. Pay down debt. One of the crucial money management skills you need for financial independence is the ability to handle debt. It is a responsibility that goes hand in hand with sound budgeting. Your bill repayments should be one of the first things you take into account when making a budget to manage your debt. Make sure you can budget for repaying any existing debt, including any potential interest, before taking on any new debt. Always conduct thorough study to select the personal loan deal that is suitable for your financial position. It's crucial to remember that once you take on debt, you have a financial obligation to repay it. Focus on paying off the debt first when creating a budget, and refrain from splurging until you have. 8. Invest. Investments are a great way to spend money if you're looking for strategies to improve your assets. You should invest your money if you wish to increase your fortune. You can invest your money in things that have the potential to generate high returns. Even if you lack investing experience, there are several straightforward platforms available today that can pay you more interest on your money each month than a savings account. When done correctly, investments can be a fantastic source of additional income and cash flow. If you're unsure about where to invest your money, get advice from a fund manager or investor. You lose out on chances to raise your financial value if you never invest. Of course, there is a chance that you could lose money when making investments, but if you do it correctly, your chances of making money are better than if you never do. 9. Stay motivated with financial podcasts and videos. You may learn to save and invest your money in a variety of ways. You may manage your money more effectively by regularly educating yourself on various financial topics. Online resources for financial information are many. There are numerous podcasts that are committed to assisting you in paying off debt, making sensible investments, and retiring comfortably, in addition to articles and videos. These podcasts can be presented in a variety of ways and cover a wide range of topics, from fundamentals of finance to sophisticated investment techniques. You may stay motivated to reach your financial objectives by routinely listening to financial podcasts and watching videos. You quickly come to the realization that you can accomplish it too after listening to those who have succeeded in overcoming their financial difficulties. Your present and future quality of life will both be considerably enhanced by having strong money management abilities. You can control your debt, deal with outstanding credit card debt payments, and significantly boost your retirement account by being able to concentrate particularly on your spending habits. You'll have a better idea of why practicing sound financial management will significantly improve your quality of life once you've established a budget.